Hello, 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 everyone. We are going live to talk to our clients and our followers so that we can tell them of all the wonderful things that we are doing these days. So, some of the frequently asked questions, and we're getting a lot of calls. You guys are calling. Thank you very much. And thank you for asking all your questions from us. And it is sometimes very difficult for me to reach out back to all of the people who are calling these days, asking different questions. So it is best for me to basically answer some of these questions. And if you have any further questions, we can always set up a virtual consultation. Again, this is Dr. Din at your service. And I have Rose.
Hello, Dr. Din.
Hi.
Yeah, so we're here in a live session for rapid fire questions from our clients with our main doctor and injector at Juvanni Med Spa. So, Dr. Din, people really want to know what deals we have ongoing. As we already know, we currently have the Lift and Lift package. Can you tell us a little bit more about it?
What I am doing is that every year, most of our anti-aging clients come and want a facial skin tightening treatment and some collagen restoration. So we just brought that package together. We are doing half facelift, which is non-surgical, and then we also are doing a full facelift. So those are, so I have like some packages that are available for that. Again, these are Juvanni lifts. They are, L-therapy is a very, very popular treatment. I've been doing it for like a long time. It's like almost 8-9 years that I've been doing it. So we have our own protocol for L-therapy. So it's really good. We do
What does
get...
that have include?
So we have like the Juvanni lift, the half face is L-therapy. We give an IV vitamin infusion, which is my proprietary infusion. It is called Beyonce. And then I also give a filler with it. Sometimes some people need either a thread or a filler, so you can always we can make that adjustment when we see the client. Usually it's done in stepwise for fashion. And then the full face is again the same thing, except that it's for the full face, and it has not one filler, but more than one filler in it. And the prices are different also.
Okay. And we have James R. and Daniel R. who want to know if Juvanni Lift is also for men.
Yes, it is. See, anybody who experiences skin sagging, which is pretty much everyone, and anybody who experiences skin sagging in this area, which is usually a lot of men who develop it in their 50s. So yes, and if you've had any weight gain, weight loss over the past few years, it is a very good treatment for both men and women. And men, usually I feel that men like to do more in this area, and a tiny bit they get worried when this thing starts falling down. So men usually like that area more than anything else. Women like everything.
Mary F. wants to know what is the FemiLift treatment.
FemiLift. FemiLift is a treatment that we do for vaginal rejuvenation. It is a really good, it's a laser, it's a CO2 laser. Again, it is very safe, and we use it. Women love the impact of it. It is good for urinary incontinence, vaginal dryness. As women, especially if you've had childbirth vaginally, this becomes a very important treatment around late 40s, early 50s. It is something that we recommend women to do once a year, every year, and that's that. It really changes the. Sometimes we combine it with some other treatments for female sexual health and wellness. Sometimes it's FemiLift is also combined with just the outside tightening, also not just internal tightening, and women love it. So it's a very good treatment. But again, everybody who does it needs to give us at least a pap smear, a normal pap smear result.
Okay. We also have Teresa C, who wants to know what filler brands do we manage and what is the difference between them?
So we have so what are fillers? Fillers are basically HA, which is hyaluronic acid. These are injections, these are vials, and we have almost every quality that is available in the market. Because I've been injecting for the past 8-9 years, I am trained in pretty much everyone. I've used all these products, and I kind of know how they work. And some of them, there are favorites. Again, I tell everyone it's like bags. It's like handbags. Which one do you like more, Versace or Gucci? And now Gucci has come up with a new model, and some other brand comes in with a new model. So these days, my favorite brand is a new filler, which is called Versa. And the reason I like Versa is because it is the HA content in it is higher than most other fillers, and plus I just love the way it affects the face. I just injected myself, and I like even what it did to my own face. So it's really cool, and it comes in a very cute black box thing, so I really like it. I call it it's part of our liquid facelift, which so part of Juvanni lift for the full face has the black box warning. So that is like my Versa lift in it.
Okay. Richard G wants to know what IV infusion he should get if he wants more energy.
So IV infusions is that's a great question again. Thank you. IV infusions is a very, very important topic, and I need to make another live for it. I like the IV infusion that I give to pretty much most of my clients, which has some immune boosting and some stuff which actually cleanses your liver, and then some stuff that gives you some energy. So I like the glutathione push. I love the glutathione push at the end of our infusions, which gives a lot of energy to people. So yes, it's a blend. It's a proprietary blend that I actually combine together. It's like a dish that we prepare for you. So it's like a customized dish that we prepare. So you come, we talk to you, we check your mineral status. We actually then recommend certain dosages, certain vitamins for you that we think would really help you. And then you start doing them. You do a couple of them and see how it impacts you. And then sometimes we can change it around also. So if you one day you tell me that, oh, I'm not sleeping that well, we might change a few things. If you say, oh, I'm losing my hair, we might change some other things. If you say, oh, I feel I've gained 5 more pounds because I've been drinking too much, then we may change it again. So I like to call our IV infusions like oil changes for the car. So if your body was like a car or a vehicle, an IV infusion would probably be similar to an oil change. And even the shittiest car requires at least 1 or 2 oil changes in a year. So a human body, which is like one of the most amazing machines, could use a better oil change, or at least more frequent oil changes. But thank you so much for asking this question. Tell him to come and see me and show me his blood work, and I will recommend something. No.
Do you have anything coming up for Father's Day?
Yes. So for Father's Day, we are going to be bringing on our Alma Dua, which is our really cool new laser. It is for men right now. FDA approved it for erectile dysfunction. However, what we really would want to, it actually by the end of this year, it's going to be also approved for women for sexual health. So that is something that we're giving to couples as couple therapy for Father's Day, which is very cool. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. We'll see you again soon.